That's why the singers and players of instruments have to know what they do in this time. You understand? Like Bob Marley, he reincarnated back into Garnet still. Garnet still do something wrong, God burn him up and him and him in a fire. He reincarnate him back into Buju. Buju come out, and when God go to him and say, Rasta can't free the people, and over hills and valley, and Buju look out and say, oh, farm have to climb to free the people. Then Buju ball out, as I lay to race, yes. Oh,
you're rough.
When Buju sister in the rest, he ball out, destiny, look how long me mama calling, the end of things. You know what I'm gonna further, I work done. Okay. When from Buju do destiny, we sang do again we're righteous.
Alright, so NinjaMan speech. Greetings, welcome back to the YG Life channel. Let's see what NinjaMan has to say today.
But then when they end that day, I'm not going to see God's face. I'm not going to do nothing, you know. So if a man feel himself great enough that he don't want to see God's face, why should I be business with him? It's not my responsibility.
Did the church make you more educated that you can deliver the lyrical
content? The church make me more wise. So some of them are thief.
Open his eyes. And them not reality.
More than just take people for idiot and rob people money in a Jesus name. Likewise, some entertainer who have nothing to do with Selassie, but as them hold the mic, Selassie, Jah, Rastafari, two of them are some thief.
Me shout out Selassie, near where the heathen calling, pin them and one pin them. Shout out Selassie, and them don't know the meaning. And tell them again.
Christian and the DJ them, where say them are Rasta, not more thief, working in a Jesus name, working in a Selassie. The two biggest householder and the biggest product you have in the country is Jesus and Selassie. Okay. So when you say Jesus, you have a competition against Selassie, and when you say Selassie, you have a competition against Jesus. So then those farm organization, one say Jesus, one say Selassie, and them don't mean no good to God. Me learn everything from God, what is right from what is wrong. That them even tell me say God come, Jesus come here as lamb to slaughter. I tell them no lie. Because if Jesus is coming here as lamb to slaughter, I'm going to find 12 man with 12 sword. Then I don't know show you Jesus sword. Authority in them with a walk with sword. Why Jesus have to walk with 12 man with 12 sword? If I know what 12 AK would have beside of Jesus because he come here for a war and a war is revolution. It would believe in a God. So in order for people believe in a God, you have to show them the powers of God. Look when Moses turned the sea in a red and a man just mix up a thing and say, we can't do that to it or work. So a science in my work just like we. But in them time there was competition between science man till Jesus and Moses them coming with them God thing. And the science man still approved over say them have more powers than to them God. So there's a competition with God. So you couldn't come to man where compete with God, go to him say, yo my youth, put on where you did and go to God. You have a check man here. And them dates the Bible tells us as it was in the beginning, so shall it be the end. This one start back, but it will start back serious more. And it will more terrible. And when this war start back again, it's only the man of righteousness that can set the peace. And you have to have somebody where do it. That's why the singers and players of instruments have to know what they do in this time. You understand? Like Bob Marley, he reincarnated back into Garnet still. Garnet still do something wrong, God burn him up and him in a fire. He reincarnated him back into Buju. Buju come out and when God go to him and say, Rasta can't free the people and over hills and valley, and Buju look out and say, oh, farm have to climb to free the people. Then Buju ball out, as I lay to race, yes. Oh,
you're rough.
When Buju sister in the rest, he ball out, destiny, look how long me mama calling, the end of things. You know what I'm gonna further, I work done. Okay. When from Buju do destiny, we sang do again we're righteous. Buju go tell us him I go bust it till he bend, and then he ever tell now, driver, don't stop at all. Oh, Bob Marley if you sell drugs. Wrong. The spirit gone. Sizzla is Jacobmiller.
Not a lie.
People choose and right. Sizzla can't live in a tenement yard. Clean up your heart and come, black woman and child. Start there, say pump up or pump. After you pump it up, you pump. So right now the pump then flat and put Sizzla gone right back down to West Pine of it. A righteousness we are there. Those are the righteous people. One son up now the Gideon right now.
Capleton.
Reincarnation, which is
Anthonyb, okay.
Anthonyb is a man where him name Petertosh. Him ever burn fire and the fire can't cool, can't quench. But him just stay in the shadow of Bob Marley and the Wailer, so him not too
look alike.
So Jacobmiller and Bob Marley out there all the while and Petertosh keep back on and
true.
You understand? So them, until the artists them realize them true position, them now go read what they have. The one when he and Capleton, him name Saul. The false prophet who gotta go lick down on the road to Damascus and teach people truths and rights, because a Capleton the devil used to come out and tell people saying bun God and bun Jesus. So until them time then, when Capleton get in true calling, you now go see a way, but him I go lead enough people to where them to go. So most of them will say a kick up a go on now. In time them know them true part and things where them responsibility them to take up. Might be that go be too late.
NinjaMan.
The reason why them can't get above my limit and my standard, me I study both within man, in music and in God. You understand?
Wow. More than earful, man. Wow.
That's powerful.
That is powerful right here. Powerful. But let me ask you one thing.
Zoom into the eyes, serious man.
Right now, such as the Seanpauls out there. What do you have to say?
Well, I want to give you a joke, you know. Seanpaul, them are just musicians, entertainers. Well,
The Shaggies, you know.
you don't know where they're gonna be choose. Shaggy is a man right come here so to get about job at NinjaMan in the light where the people them want to see him. Cause right now me and Shaggy are rolling now. And we go on NinjaMan and Shaggy, you know. And to all the things that is like Shaggy just come to me and see me as a man where me if you come to society and me see him as a man who if you come to the ghetto community. So it's like it's a twist crossover.
Right.
Being around Shaggy leading me to the higher part of society, and Shaggy being around me lead him to the ghetto community. Which when you have the two sides of the people, man can teach them. You have a balance fans and a balanced audience, and people who know already who need to know more, and people who don't know yet who need to know. You understand?
Right.
And that's the weird combination that me and Shaggy know. Shaggy have in position. Can you hear the tune? I want to give you a joke, you know. Hear the song will come be Shaggy biggest hit nowadays. Church Eden. Confession the other day from a young man, and the confession hit on some of my members in my church. Members like the one there with the champagne glass with diamond in the name. Members like the church sister who going around and dating man. And members like the other brothers in the church that's going to go club and a special sister who doing dirty wine. Me about the church and the situation. Now me a go talk to them, ya dirty Christian like Sister Paul, let an argue husband. Well if can go them with all mini man and come in and me church with your fornication. Backbench, rebuke your one to Satan. The one sister gonna one kill this one where they get a stone lover than tomato and sang and I do the dirty wine all come and shake and a come. It's all about right then. And the things that we are dealing with, that is the exact things that is going on in the church and all around us every day. You understand? So you have to just know Shaggy, I'm going to go in the Gideon too. And hopefully we have Seanpaul. We need Bountykiller, Vybz Kartel, the whole of them. All we need them to do, unite. Seanpaul have to come because him is one of Jamaica's greatest backbone. The thing is that them don't see themselves as a message sender or a teacher, them just see themselves as an entertainer.
What do you think about this?
That's a problem.
Mavado, Busysignal thing that's going on and with Vybz Kartel and all of that stuff?
Well, I want to tell you something, you know. Where I think about them, they might just wanted a set of young NinjaMan, you know.
Okay, back when you were young, okay.
They were from young NinjaMan. The whole ideal two of them, Bounty, the whole of them, are just some young ninja man who taking music to another level on an aggressive side. Because watching NinjaMan on stage and hearing NinjaMan lifestyle and try to be that person, you're not going to survive. Because there's a thing behind NinjaMan and him aggressiveness and him lifestyle. Him lifestyle and him career is two different things.
Everyone has
because
to
if you see me today and you spend a day with me, you're going to tell yourself, say, I am not the person that you're hearing about every day.
Right.
You understand? But spend a day with Bountykiller, you're good at hate him. Because it's hard to be a part of man when I smile. Because when me a part of man when I smile, I want him, I think, I wonder where my desire. I wonder if him intend to kill me or not. You understand? If you're a part of man where every time you open my mouth or somebody might talk about with something serious, violently, I'm not going to really work with you. You understand? So really, when me have to tell them, say, don't look at my life, how me live it. Paint your own picture and read your own book. Because a wannabe can never be me. And when saying a wannabe can never be me, it goes for everyone. If you want to be a bad man, you cannot be a bad man. You have to be a bad man to be a bad man. And a bad...
NinjaMan said the thing straight. Wow. Leave your thoughts in the comments right now. NinjaMan give his speech and we give thanks, you know.